In this video, we're going to walk through how to carve geo-based territories using the balance of my territories are in real time. We have all of our metrics available to us, but we're going to use Tier A accounts. We now see a heat map of where those accounts are located as it relates to Tier A. And we also see the balance of accounts across the territories we have pre-built out. Northwest is looking a little light. So what I'm actually going to do is split California in half and allocate Northern California to the Northwest, and Southern California we're going to keep with the Southwest. So the first thing I'm going to do is select Southwest, and I'm just going to go ahead and unselect California. Next, I'm going to move down into the 2 code level and pan over here. I'm going to select Northwest, and I'm just going to quickly select our postcodes. Once I'm finished, I'll come back to the Southwest, and instead of selecting them one by one, I'm going to use our lasso tool. And this is really helpful when we have multiple zip codes that we need to select. In this case, it's actually not too much, but much easier to do it that way. Now I'm actually finished, and we can see what the resulting balance is. And Southwest and Northwest look a lot better, 96 and 98 accounts respectively for Tier A accounts. And that's balancing our territories using the fullcast mapping tool.